Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be discussing TidyCal with Calendly and which tool is better for our scheduling. So let's get right into it. So starting with TidyCal, it is simpler and lightweight with easy to use dashboard and basic scheduling features. It is best for budget conscious users, offering one-time payments and essential scheduling features. So if you talk about pricing, as you can see over here, the free plan is available, but the premium one starts at around $29, $39 for the lifetime. So that's like a good thing for a one-time premium feature payment. So it is best for businesses, sales team, and those needing advanced automation. Now, comparing it with Calendly, Calendly basically, if I go over here, has an intuitive, polished interface, making it easy to set up availability and automate bookings. It is best for team scheduling, integrations, Zoom, Google Meet, CRM tools, and automated workflows. If we talk about pricing, as we were on there, so let's click over here. So currently it's basically a free plan. The basic plan is free, and the standard one is $10 per month. And it can goes up to just larger companies of $15,000 per year, but that's for the extreme large enterprises. So if I compare both of these, my final verdict will be if you need a powerful integrations and team collaborations, choose Calendly. If you want a simple one-time payment scheduling tool which is affordable and easy to use, choose TiddleCal. With that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.